Welcome back, guys. Wow, this is gonna be a different episode, and oh, well, before we were so rudely interrupted. Okay, there we go. You might seem this to be different. I'm doing Halo Reach again, but this time a firefight match. There we go. Okay, I'm doing something new yet old again. By old, I mean the long time ago, when YouTube was like first starting out, and when Halo Reach was first coming out. There was this old game, old game. YouTube. Jeez, I'm already losing my mind again. Basically, it was called. We did a little video. It was on a phone, of course, because well, we didn't have recording systems. Basically, the video was called Journey to Stairway to Heaven. Basically, it was me, my friend, using jetpacks, and sadly I don't have the video because it's so bloody old. It was in the thousands. I don't think it's up there anymore. I don't know. For all we know, it's probably still up there. And oh, that was a fail. And that wasn't. But either way, I'm restarting this now. Doing the whole skit again. This lovely skit. Sadly, I'm not with my friend again. He's probably somewhere else doing this. Doing work while I'm doing this. Fun things. They went fly. Really? Hi. I love it when they fly like that. Yep. Alright, let's go find. Ooh! Long shot! Oh, that missed. Okay, another long shot. That missed too. Long shot. Finally! Jeez.
Frenzy. Triple kill.
Oh, thank goodness I had lower shield on, or I'm going to be killing myself. Boom. Oh, Singali. You're dead. Dead Singali. And that was a dead. Oh. Run! Fly! He didn't fly, but he did this. Oh, damn. I thought he did the spear act. I wonder. Oh, hello. I have bombs clipped on if any of you have noticed. Oh, good grief. Come on. There we go. And one shot. Okay, took 3 shots to kill Hunter. That's terrible. Oh, that was it. You know what? Have a rocket. You have a rocket too. Everyone has a rocket. Everyone has rockets. Yes.
Rampage.
Oh.
Overkill.
I just killed 4 people at the time.
Reinforcements.
It's amazing. Alright. Who else am I killing? Here. Lava grenade. That was a fail. That was not. Oh, hi. That was a fail too. Fail. Okay, I'm failing. Okay. You know what? Rocket. Everyone loves rockets. Everyone loves rockets. Everyone loves rockets. Okay, I'm so gonna die. Oh, good grief. Oh, look, I got rid of my entire overshield. Lovely. I remember, well, actually, I just remembered something. Guys, I don't know if this will change the fact, but if you want, I could do a rerun of the entire Halo campaigns or Halo Wars. Instead, just write down in the comments what you might think would be best or something like that. I don't know. I don't know. Do not know. I can make a song out of that. Nope.
Last enemy.
Oh, last enemy. Okay, here, you deserve you deserve something special. You deserve a laser.
Weapon drop.
Oh, I don't have any skulls on. Damn it. Never mind. They turn on the skulls for me.
Start.
Thank you. Oh, I wonder if any of this is gonna hurt the Come on, die! Die, Banshee! Die! Die, Phantom! Ah, damn it. Oh, it's these guys. You go away. You go away. You go. You go away. You go away. You go away. Thank God for overshield. You go away. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, wait. Show me your friends. Hi. Can I get up here? Oh, damn it.
Red Menace.
Red Menace. Yeah, I'm not red, but I am a menace apparently. I like a little detail that they have on the little, Oh, that should have been double kill. That's how I... Oh, wait! Oh, wait, I did not command you to run. Oh, he went fly. Oh, you did a backflip. Amazing. 10 out of 10. Actually, no, 9 out of 10 because you minus points on the landing. Hi, I'm trying to give points here. I'm trying to give points here. Leave me alone. I'm trying to give points to people. Don't you be shooting me. Hey, you don't run. Oh, that's a lot of ultras. That's a lot of ultras. Well, that's a lot of ultras. That's a lot of ultras. That's a lot of ultras. Ultra. It's ultra the ultra. It's ultra. It's ultra fantasy.
Kill.
Why am I singing a song even though I know the copyright?
Double kill. Reinforcements.
Oh, reinforcements. Yay. Where? I just point blank ranged that guy, didn't I? Amazing. Alright.
Triple
Oh, hi.
kill.
Oh, crud. Oh, crud. What was punch again? It was D, right? Not that. Okay. Oh, that punch. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't think I can punch you guys. I think I can laser you guys, but I can't punch you. I'm going to laser you. I'm going to laser you too. Okay, I lasered that grunt. That was not good. There we go. I feel much better now. You go fly. Oh, did that go through your legs? Amazing. Ow. Ow. Freaking. What do you get? Brutes? I don't know, brutes? No brutes, just brutes. Yeah. That was fairly amazing. Ow! Ow! Can you not?
Double kill. Double kill.
Alright. Oh, ow,
Kill
ow, 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 ow.
catastrophe.
Good grief! That was a lot of explosions. Long shot. That was a fail. Oh, wait.
Triple kill.
I love overshield. Oh, he did 2 backflips. That was amazing. Okay, I give you a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Yes. What? With that, and with how many things they're doing, things with many things today, and catching and all that. Lovely jazz. Hopefully everyone on this freaking channel and planet is doing well. Hopefully. I don't know about you. Until then, as always, everyone, have a lovely, lovely day.